Are you unknowingly hurting your car every time you hit the road? Most of us don't realize it, but our everyday driving habits might be wrecking our vehicles. In this video, we'll explore 7 driving habits that are ruining your car. And I'll also share pro tips to help you save money and extend your car's life. Let's save your ride and your wallet. Habit number 1. Aggressive driving. First up, aggressive driving. Aggressive driving involves frequent hard braking, rapid acceleration, and sudden lane changes. These actions cause excessive wear and tear on your vehicle's brakes, tires, and engine. Hard braking overheats brake pads, reducing their lifespan and increasing the risk of rotor damage. Rapid acceleration puts unnecessary strain on the engine and drivetrain, consuming more fuel and increasing emissions. Instead, drive smoothly. Accelerate gradually and anticipate traffic to avoid sudden stops. Not only will your car thank you, but so will your gas tank and your passengers. Habit number 2. Skipping the warm-up. Modern cars don't need extended idling like the older ones, but driving hard on a cold engine can still cause major damage. Why? Because engine oil is thicker when cold and takes a moment to circulate fully, especially in freezing weather. Without proper lubrication, the engine's pistons, cylinders, and bearings experience increased friction, leading to accelerated wear. So, when you start your car, give it at least 30 to 60 seconds to idle and let the oil do its job. If it's freezing out, take it slow for the first few miles. Your engine will thank you. Habit number 3. Driving on low fuel. Running on fumes might save you a trip to the gas station today, but it could cost you big time tomorrow. Here's the real deal. Driving frequently with low fuel levels forces the fuel pump to work harder, as it relies on fuel for lubrication and cooling. When the tank is almost empty, sediment from the bottom of the tank can get sucked into the fuel system, potentially clogging the fuel filter or damaging injectors. Running low repeatedly can overheat the pump and cause its premature failure. Pro tip: don't let your tank drop below a quarter full. Not only does it protect your fuel pump, but it also ensures you won't get stranded when you least expect it. Habit number 4. Resting your hand on the gear shift. Resting hand on the gear shift is one of the most common bad driving habit most drivers make. It seems harmless, right? But here's the problem. The extra pressure on the gear stick transfers to the gearbox's internal components, causing unnecessary wear over time. The gear selector is designed to engage gears temporarily, not support constant weight or pressure. Additionally, resting your hand on the shifter reduces your ability to steer effectively. Keep both hands on the steering wheel instead. Not only does it protect your gearbox, but it also gives you better control over your car. Win-win! Habit number 5. Riding the brakes on downhills. Riding the brakes downhill leads to overheating of the brake pads and rotors, reducing braking performance. Prolonged braking generates excessive heat, which can warp the rotors or cause the brake fluid to boil, leading to brake fade. This habit is especially dangerous on long descents, as it compromises your ability to stop safely. Bonus tip: shift to a lower gear and let engine braking do the work. Your brakes will stay cool and you'll drive more safely on steep roads. Habit number 6. Ignoring speed bumps and potholes. Speeding over bumps or driving through potholes at high speeds causes significant damage to the suspension system and tires. Shocks and struts absorb these impacts, but can wear out prematurely if overburdened. Tires may suffer from uneven wear, bulges, or even blowouts due to the sudden force. Additionally, hitting potholes can knock your wheels out of alignment, affecting handling and causing uneven tire wear. To protect your car, slow down for speed bumps and avoid potholes whenever possible. Habit number 7. Ignoring regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is the key to a long-lasting car. Skipping routine maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and air filter replacements can lead to major mechanical failures. Old engine oil becomes less effective at lubricating, causing increased friction and wear on internal components. Neglected air and fuel filters can clog, reducing engine performance and fuel efficiency. Tires that aren't rotated wear unevenly, shortening their lifespan and affecting handling. Use a maintenance app or set calendar reminders to keep up with your car's service schedule. And don't forget to check your manual. It's packed with helpful info tailored to your car. That's it, folks. Bad driving habits you should avoid to keep your car running smoothly and save yourself from costly repairs. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more car care hacks, and share it with someone who loves their car as much as you do.